In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a drop down in Canva Sheets. So to insert a drop down, click on the cell you want the drop down to appear in, such as this one, and then hit slash on your keyboard, and then type in drop down. So now you'll see drop down, and just click on drop down. So here you'll see preset drop downs, so you can select any of these if you need to. If you want to create a custom drop down, click on the plus create drop down, and here you created a new drop down, and now you can edit these options however you want by hovering over the option and then click on the edit, and now you can rename it, such as hamburger, and then let's call this one cheese, and then let's delete this last one. And you can also change the color of these. So let's say I want this to be brown. And as you can see, we have a brown text, and it changes the color of the background of it as well. So it looks contrast and looks good. So let's change the cheese as well. Let's put it yellow. And there we go. So as you can see, this one changed as well, but it's a little hard to see since yellow over white is going to be a little bad combination here. So that's how you can create a drop down. And now if you click away and then use it, you can click on hamburger, then on cheese, and as you can see, you can switch back and forth between them. And that's how you can create a drop down in Canva Sheets.